Through a mix of human and autonomous delivery, DoorDash is trying to evolve with the times to keep dashing and not crashing. Going from a restaurant delivery company to a diversified commerce and logistics platform, thanks to a bunch of partnerships and product launches in the last couple months, leading to DoorDash devotees declaring the benefits of AI, robotics, and expanded delivery options that can overcome occasional challenges from changing labor laws and consumer behavior. To stay relevant, DoorDash teamed up with OpenAI, which integrates DoorDash directly into ChatGPT, allowing users to request meal ideas and recipes within ChatGPT and instantly convert those suggestions into shoppable grocery lists. Customers can then order ingredients from local retailers for delivery in as little as an hour, completing checkout through the DoorDash platform. Participating stores include major national chains such as Kroger and Safeway, along with regional grocers like Buy-Right, Schnucks, Fairway Markets, and Wegmans. The feature is initially rolling out to select users, with expansion planned across iOS, Android, desktop, and mobile web. DoorDash has indicated that the integration could eventually extend beyond groceries into additional retail categories, contributing to its strategy of embedding commerce directly into AI, resulting in discovery experiences that could provide more traffic. On the topic of discovery experiences, DoorDash is also investing in AI discovery through a standalone app called Zesty, currently in public testing in San Francisco and New York. Zesty functions as a digital food concierge, aggregating information from DoorDash, Google Maps, TikTok, and other sources to recommend restaurants. The launch reflects DoorDash's effort to move beyond fulfillment and play a larger role in personalized search and recommendation. So this is kind of like word-of-mouth advertising, except suggestions come from AI, which is directed by data, as opposed to humans recommending stuff based on their experiences. In marketing and brand expansion, DoorDash has partnered with TKO Group Holdings to become the official on-demand delivery partner of the WWE and UFC. The agreement provides branded integration across live events, broadcasts, and digital platforms, and includes presenting sponsorship of a future WWE Premium Live event and a 2026 UFC numbered event. WWE and UFC collectively reach more than 1 billion fans across over 210 countries, with a large share in the 18 to 34 demographic. The partnership also includes custom content featuring WWE superstars and UFC athletes, positioning DoorDash as a lifestyle brand aligned with sports and entertainment. Automation is another central focus. DoorDash is testing autonomous vehicle deliveries in Metro Phoenix through a partnership with Waymo, initially serving DashMart locations, with broader commercialization expected. DashPass members in select cities are also eligible for monthly Waymo ride credits. Additionally, DoorDash has entered a multi-year agreement with Serve Robotics to deploy autonomous sidewalk delivery robots across the U.S., starting in Los Angeles. Serve has already completed more than 100,000 deliveries and plans to expand into new markets. DoorDash has also broadened its partnership with Coco Robotics to Miami, supplementing existing operations in Los Angeles and Chicago. These efforts operate under DoorDash's autonomous delivery platform, which integrates human drivers, robots, drones, and autonomous vehicles to improve efficiency and reduce costs and emissions. Beyond food and grocery delivery, DoorDash continues to expand into retail. A partnership with Old Navy enables nationwide same-day delivery of apparel and accessories from more than 1,000 stores. Customers can order items such as denim and activewear directly through the DoorDash app. This builds on the company's broader retail delivery initiative launched in 2023, which now includes groceries, gifts, and apparel. DoorDash reports that more than a quarter of its monthly active users have ordered from at least one non-restaurant category, highlighting growing traction in new verticals. Financially, there's been strong revenue growth and improving profitability, with recent quarterly results exceeding some expectations. Analysts have adjusted price targets while generally maintaining positive outlooks. DoorDash holds more cash than debt and maintains solid liquidity. Although it recently disclosed a data breach related to a social engineering attack, several analysts have upheld favorable ratings. Other efforts to stay ahead of the evolving delivery landscape involve the acquisition of Deliveroo to strengthen its international presence, the launch of its in-house delivery robot Dot, expanded grocery integrations such as Kroger, and new features like Going Out, which combines reservations and in-store rewards. Then, when going out of the delivery sector to other stocks, check out TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.